The Criminal Injuries Compensation Authority, or CICA, is a government organisation which is there to compensate innocent victims who have sustained physical or psychological injury as a result of a violent crime. That compensation may have come as a result of a physical assault, domestic violence, domestic abuse, or a sexual assault. The scheme is able to provide compensation for over 300 different types of injury, ranging in values between £1,000 and £250,000. In addition to compensation for injury, the CICA are able to offer compensation for lost earnings, treatment, specialist equipment, house alterations and other losses such as funeral expenses and bereavement payments of up to £11,000. The crime must have taken place within the last 2 years or before the applicant turns 20 if you were under 18 at the time of the incident, although there can be exceptions to this rule. The crime must have been reported to the police as soon as reasonably possible. The applicant must have fully cooperated with the police. If the applicant has unspent convictions or their conduct before or during the incident is brought into question, the CICA may consider a reduction or rejection. The CICA calculate their awards for compensation using a tariff system that contains a figure for both physical and psychological injuries. The CICA pays out on up to 3 injuries if each is so serious that they would qualify for an individual award. For example, a fractured jawbone could be worth up to £6,200. Facial scarring could be £11,000. A serious psychological injury could reach up to £27,000. If applying for compensation for a crime of sexual violence, the CICA use a method which allows them to settle a claim quickly and in a streamlined manner. In utilising this method, they can make a fixed payment based on the nature of the assault. If this process is used, the CICA will ask the police to send them a report of the crime, write with an offer or a decision. They will not need to obtain, access or examine any of your medical records. The process can be completed in around 8 weeks. Having a solicitor act for you has been shown to improve the likelihood of a CICA case succeeding. Recent statistics published by the government illustrate that more people decide to undergo this type of claim on their own than with a legal representative. Unfortunately, for those people without a solicitor, they are more likely to end up with their claims rejected in comparison to those who seek legal help. Between 2017 and 2018, for applicants who did not have any legal help with their claim and received compensation, the average payout was £6,934. Those applicants who received compensation with the help of a solicitor received on average an additional £3,804, with a total average payout of £10,738. We have a mix of dedicated male and female case handlers, one of whom will see your claim through from start to finish, assisting you in the event of any queries or issues you may have. Your case handler will provide regular updates until the conclusion of your claim, ensuring the process is as stress-free and effortless as possible, whilst obtaining you the maximum compensation for your injuries. We are happy to work on your CICA claim on a no-win, no-fee basis. If your claim is unsuccessful, you will not be expected to pay us a penny. We are happy to discuss a potential claim with you following a free, no-obligation chat. All calls are held in the strictest confidence.